What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are hunting. I'm going to be looking for mostly rabbits today. Rabbit snowshoe hares. There's a lot more snow on the ground than last time I went hunting, and I think the grouse are going to be a little hard to find because I think they're at the point where they stay up in the trees. Rabbits should be hopefully easier to find because with all the snow we should be able to see tracks. So that's kind of my hope right now. Is I'm gonna go to this trail and walk the trail. I'm looking for tracks, and if I see a lot of tracks going into the woods at a certain spot, I will walk into the woods there, walk really slowly, and try to find some hares. I did bring the 410 today, the shotgun, instead of the 22, because a lot of the times when hares get spooked out of where they're hiding, they just take off, and if you don't get a shot at them right away, they're gonna be gone. So plus I haven't actually shot the 410 yet this year, and I kind of want to try. So that's what I brought today. Quick trip. It's around 11 right now, so maybe a little bit later than I would want for looking for hares, but the best time to go is whatever time you can. So I'm almost to the trail now, and we're gonna see if we can find some hares.
These are rabbit tracks. I am trying to look up in the trees too, see if there's any grouse. They could be out sunning themselves. I've seen some more rabbit tracks crisscrossing. So they are here. As quietly as I can. Rabbits are a lot more spooky than grouse. Alright, still walking. Finally getting into some better territory. Thicker cover. More trees. Still not seeing a whole lot of fresh tracks, but hey! Got one. Ruffed grouse. Yes. Holy crap, that's a big one too. Oh my goodness. He was sitting right there. Sweet. Oh man, I'd given up. These are his tracks here. I had completely given up. Dang, that's a nice bird. Look at that. First ruffed grouse of the season for me. All right, we got one. I had completely given up hope, pretty much. But I was just walking up the road back to the van. And he was right there. He was staring at me. I went, bam. Sick. I guess there's still like buds, or not buds, but pieces of bushes and stuff for them to eat. Because apparently they winter on the ground, while spruce grouse will go up into the trees. And that was a big bird. Trying to keep my eyes peeled, see if there's any more around.
And with that, I think we've come to the end of the video. A little different than I expected, but we did get an animal, which is really sweet. We got my first ruffed grouse of the season, which is very exciting. I've been looking for one of those for a while. Haven't found any this season besides today. Not as many rabbit tracks as I was hoping for, so I think I'll have to scout out some other potential rabbit spots. But that's okay. It was just a quick trip, just kind of see what's out here, see how the landscape and the trail is changing as it gets more snow, which I think is very important. And gives me some information on what to do in the future, whether I want to come back here again this year or if I want to venture out a little further. So if you made it to this point in the video, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, do all that good stuff. And with that, I'm David, Streamcatcher TV. Thanks for tuning in.